Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashauna. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload every other week. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some lotion that I like to use on my skin. So let me show you the first one before we get started. Okay. The first one is Neutrogena Hydration Booth Lotion. I tried this lotion. It's my first time. Let me bring it closely. Because if you can see this, I already tried this one, maybe. Yeah, so I tried this lotion, and I can tell you this is the best lotion. If you want their link, I'll put it here. Here's their link, some right here. I'll put it in the description. But this lotion is the best. It smells nice. It's nice for your skin. And there's instructions at the back. So if you want to know more information about this lotion, you can go check. And also, if you're not sure what I'm saying, you can do some research as well, because certain things you might buy, you might not understand it, or you might think it's not good for your skin. So, I like this one. So I'll show y'all again. You can kind of see it. Neutrogena. It's the best lotion so far. The next lotion is this one. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but I tried this lotion and they said it smells nice, it's hydration. Um, it's good for everything. Moisturize your skin. You can use this everywhere. It gives you instructions down here, and they have a website. I'll also put that in the description so you guys can try this and see if this will help your skin. I buy lotion to help for my skin when it's dry. So I'm gonna just rub some and show you what I mean. So I just put this much, if you can see it, this much on my skin, and you just rub it. Now what I notice about this lotion, it's really soft. Like, it's really nice, and it smells amazing. So if you want to try this lotion too, you can try this. If you want more information, you can go and search this up. Okay. The next one is, you guys know I love Garnier, but they have a Garnier lotion. Garnier. Okay, Garnier. And moisturize, hydration your skin. And yeah, they have a website right here. It's hard to tell, hard to show right now, but I mean, I'll never give up on Garnier. Like, you know what I mean? This is my go-to. I love, I love this lotion, and I will never give up on this. So, if you want to try this, I will put the link in the description. And if you want to research again, do some more research, and voila, here it is. Garnier. Okay, so it's the best Garnier. And the last but not least, I never mentioned this in the video, but vichy. Okay, this tiny. Sorry guys, I had to pause. Okay, the last one is the vichy. Hold on a second. You guys can. Okay, there it is right there, the vichy. It's really hard to show. I want to show. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, the vichy. Okay, and bring it closer. Okay, there it is right there. And sorry you can't really see it as well because it's a very very tiny bottle. It's hard for me to show you this one, but it's the best thing for your skin. I used to buy this white bottle of Vichy, the big white one, and it helps for acne, black spots for the like last 24 to 48 hours. And I had to buy this. I wish I could show you clearly. You could see it a little bit, but yeah, there's the name of Vichy. It's hard to show you because it's so small, but yeah. So those are the products that I have for you. I'll show them all to you again. These will be in the description, so I will put them in there so you guys can try them out, get to know them, and see how they look. And I want to show you how I got my nails done yesterday. These are the pink. Hard to tell. Can't really see because of the lighting, but yeah. So that's it. Let me show you again. Show you how my. You guys see? It's hard to show you, man. I'm sorry with this lighting, but they're like pink. I remember I did a video showing you guys, but I got my nails done, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. I'm so sorry this video was like, it's not the best lighting, but you know, these are the products that I show you, and I hope you like them. And comment down below if you like videos like this. I would probably do a part 2, talk about what lotion I like to use again, or anything like that. Please let me know. And follow me on YouTube. Let's be YouTube friends. Follow me on social media. And we can get to know each other. And I hope you guys enjoy this. If you like this, please give this video a big thumbs up. A big thumbs up. And if my videos are helping you, I'm happy to help you. And I'm happy to be on this journey. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Okay? Bye.